In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up and use Google Authenticator on your iPhone. We'll start by getting the app. On your iPhone, open the App Store and search for Google Authenticator. Install it like you would any other app. Once it's on your phone, open Google Authenticator to begin. You'll see a clean, simple screen. Look for the plus icon, usually near the bottom right, and tap it to add your first account. Here you have two choices: scan a QR code or enter a setup key. These come from the app or website you're trying to secure with two-factor authentication. When you enable two-factor on that service, it will show you a QR code on the screen, and sometimes also a text code called a setup key. Either option works. They both create the same secure connection. If you choose scan a QR code, Google Authenticator may ask for camera permission. Allow it, then point your camera at the QR code on your computer or another device. Center the code in the frame and it should capture instantly. If you select enter a setup key instead, carefully type or paste the key provided by the service. Double check for typos and keep that key private. Treat it like a password and don't share or screenshot it. After you scan the QR code or enter the key, the account will appear in Google Authenticator with a 6-digit code. You'll notice a small timer or progress bar indicating that this code changes every 30 seconds. That's normal. These are time-based one-time codes designed to keep your account safer. Now, when you log into the app or website you secured, go through the usual sign-in steps. When it asks for a verification code, open Google Authenticator and look at the 6-digit code next to the matching account name. Type that code into the login screen right away. If you see the timer is almost out, it's perfectly fine to wait a moment for the next code to appear, then enter the fresh one. If a code expires mid-entry, just try again with the new one. A few quick tips to keep things smooth. Codes work even if your phone is offline since they're generated on the device. If a code doesn't work, make sure you're using the right account entry and that your iPhone's date and time are set correctly. Avoid sharing or storing screenshots of your QR codes or setup keys. And remember, if you remove the app or lose your device, you may need backup codes from the service you're protecting, so store those securely. That's it, you've set up Google Authenticator and know how to use it during login.